Building a Second Brain, by Tiago Forte is a unique and practical guide to organizing your digital life and unlocking your creative potential. The book offers a proven method for building a second brain and taking control of your digital clutter. Building a Second Brain is a guide to creating a digital system for capturing and organizing information. The book provides a comprehensive methodology for creating a second brain that can be used for note-taking, task management, and creative work. It covers a range of topics, including information management, productivity, and creativity, and provides practical tools and exercises to help readers implement the methodology. Tiago Forte's approach to digital organization is innovative, practical, and highly effective. The book is well structured and easy to follow, making it an ideal resource for anyone looking to improve the digital organization skills. The methodology provided is comprehensive and provides a range of practical tools and exercises to help readers create a second brain. The book is also highly engaging and can be used as a reference guide to revisit throughout one's life. However, some readers may find the methodology too complex or time-consuming to implement. Additionally, some readers may find that the book lacks scientific evidence or research to support its claims. Overall, Building a Second Brain is a must-read for anyone looking to improve the digital organization skills and unlock their creative potential. It's a comprehensive and practical guide to organizing your digital life, and the methodology provided can be easily incorporated into daily life. While it may not be for everyone, it's definitely worth checking out if you're looking for a fresh and innovative approach to digital organization. I give Building a Second Brain, by Tiago Forte a rating of 4.5 out of 5 stars. We would love to hear your feedback. Please subscribe, like, share our video review, and please don't forget to leave a comment. Thank you.